4,000, 3,000, 4,000, so 7,000, 3,000, 2,000, 10,000, and 8,000 is there. Yeah, let us assume these salaries. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values are there totally. And see, what is an index means? Suppose if you are having a textbook, if you want to refer a particular topic, then what is the ways, in how many ways we can search the topic means sequentially by skipping the pages until you found your required topic. Otherwise, go to index part of the book and verify the topic according to alphabetical order and find out on which page the topic will be available and go to that page directly and you can refer your required topic, right? In the same way, if you are using indexes, without using indexes, what is the problem? Just see, here I am executing this query. Select cell from EMP where salary equals to 2000. Let us assume like this. Then this given value 2000 is compared with all the salaries. So totally all the salaries means there exist 10 comparisons are there. Comparisons. From the 10 comparisons, how many number of matched values are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 matched values are there. So here 10 values, in the sense total 11 comparisons, sorry. 11 comparisons. Okay. Now from the 11 comparisons you are getting 3 matched values. Okay, that's fine. So 11 comparisons means it's a minute of a second. Suppose if you are having 1 lakh records in your table, in that case, for this kind of query, it has to compare all the salaries, each and every employee salary. So automatically it will take so much time to compare like that. So if you can create index, so on a column, then what is happening? Index will maintain ordered data of the column, ordered data. So by default it will maintain alphabetical ordered data or numerical ordered data, means ascending ordered data. So the first least value here we are having is 2000 from the first record. Next least value is also 2000. Sorry. So from third record it is displaying. Next least value again 2000 you are having from ninth record. Okay. Now next one is 3000. So from beginning 5th record and 8th record are containing 2000, 3000. 5th record and 8th record. Okay. Next 4000 is the minimum value. So 4th record is containing 4000 value. 4th record. Okay, and the 6th record is also containing 4000 value. Okay, and next 7000 is the least value. Only one value is there, 7000. So it's contained by seventh record. And 8000 is there. Only one record you are having. Only 8000. This is from 11th record. And 10,000 from second and 10th records. 10,000 is from second and 10th records. So 10th records. Okay, fine. So now indexed data is always ordered data. If you can create an index on salary column, then the salary is maintained in an ordered set of values. If you can execute the same query on indexed column, here indexed column, then first the given value is compared with the first salary, okay, until the match was found. Whenever there exists a match, then the matched value is compared with the next value, whether it is matched or not, and the next value is matched with the next value. So the matching operation, internal matching operation, will be continued until there exists unmatched value. Here 2000 is matched with 2000, then the internally indexed value 2000 is compared with next 2000, matched, next 2000, matched, next not matched. So totally the comparisons, how many number of comparisons? Outer query value with table value 1, next table value with indexed value 2, again 3, next 4. So totally here you are having only 4 comparisons. Out of 4 comparisons, you are getting how many number of matched values? 3 matched values. So is it reducing the number of comparisons? It saves so much time. It speed up your system. Now, okay, that's fine. Index, okay, that's fine. Next, you are having another type of index is there. That is unique index. What is this unique index? Unique index contains only unique values. See here, whenever you are executing this query only, for the same query I am saying, don't confuse it, don't try to select the data from the index. Okay, if you try to select the data from the index, it will show an error message. Okay, whenever there exists a match, suppose here there exists a match. Okay, this matched value I want to see, I want to fetch, means from which record I have to fetch. The control goes to the address of this record. Address is the first record. Go to first record of the table and immediately fetch the salary. Next value is also matched. So what is the address of this value? Third record. Control immediately go to the third record and fetch this value. Next is also matched. So from ninth record it is there. So control immediately goes to the ninth record and fetch the salary value. Okay, always fetching operation is taking from original table only. Index is acts like a reference only. Now unique index. Unique index here in the normal index you are having duplicates 2000, 2000, 2000, 3000, 3000, 4000, 4000. But unique index contains only unique values. 2000. Okay, this can be available from which records? 1, 3, 9 records. And next 3000 is available from 5th record and 8th record. Now next one 4000, this is from 4th record and 6th record. And next value 7000 is available from 7th record. And next one is 8,000 is available from 11th record, and 10,000 is available from to second and 10th records. So now here, see how many number of values are there in the salary column. That many number of values will be maintained by normal index. Okay, suppose salary is occupying 1 MB space. Let us assume salary column is occupying 1 MB space. Then normal index can also occupy 1 MB space. Why? Because it is maintaining order data, but all the values it is maintaining. But here unique index may occupy as much or less memory than the normal index. Why? Because unique index contains only unique values and their different addresses. Okay, here if you are executing the same query, then it will go and search, is it matched or not, is it matched. Suppose let us assume if you are selecting for the salary 4,000, then here there exists a match. Immediately control goes to the 4th and 6th records of original table and fetch the salary. Okay, so here for this 2000, in the first value only we are having 2000, so only one comparison it is making, and out of one comparison it is displaying three values, three matched values. So have you got the difference between the comparisons? Yeah. So this is the advantage of index. What is the advantage? In actual table, the comparisons can be gone through step by step, means one by one it has to compare all the values. In case of index, it is already maintaining ordered data. Until a different value found, automatically the comparison will be skipped. So it reduces the vast number of comparisons. Okay. Unique index, even it should not allow duplicates. So a duplicate value is not allowed means automatically your whatever the if there exists a matched value, if there exists a duplicate value for that, then unique index skips that comparison for the duplicate value. Okay, so these are the advantages of indexes. Finally, what is an index means? Index is a table. Remember it. It is a database object, but how it look like means it is a table. Okay, a table index always contains two parts. See here, either unique index or non-unique index. It contains two parts. This is the actual data of your table. Am I right? And the address of the values. So actual data part and address part. Okay, so actual data part, okay, we know actual data part. Address part is known as row ID. Row ID. Okay, and here salary, this is the actual table column. And from the table you are having actual data. Along with this, I have specified the record numbers, right? This is known as row num values. Row num. I will specify this. These values are known as row num, and these values are known as row ID. So very important. These two are known as virtual columns or pseudo columns. We can call these two as pseudo columns. Okay. Now, what is an index and how they are improving? Here I am writing. Index is a database object which contains ordered data of the columns. Ordered data of the columns. Okay. So It is a two-dimensional table which contains data part and address part. Address part is known as row ID. So it is a pseudo column. Okay. Now types of indexes. Indexes. Generally, we are having two types. This is a non-unique index. This is unique index. One is non-unique index, so which contains duplicates. And second part is unique index. Doesn't allow duplicates. Okay. And what are the types? Different types. Another types is see, mm, simple index. If an index is created on single table, single column, yeah. For example, here, first type, simple index. So it will be created on simple index, and it is also non-unique index. Remember it, non-unique index. Yeah. So an index which is created on single column of a table, which is created on single column of a table, which is known as a simple index as well as non-unique index. By default, the index is non-unique index. What is the syntax to create it? Create index, and here index name, on table name, and you have to specify column name. So example, create index idx underscore sal on table name emp and specify sal call. Yes. Okay, you are creating an index on salary column. No. Simple non-unique index. Now, composite index. So, composite non-unique index again. So, the syntax is, yeah, for this, an index which is created on multiple columns of a table. On multiple columns of a table. Create index and index name, index name on table in the brackets column 1 comma column 2 so on. Example, create index idx underscore name score sal score designation on emp ename comma sal comma job. On 3 columns I am creating the index. Okay, now so this is the case of simple index and composite index. In case of non-unique, if you want to create unique index, how it is? First one, simple unique index. So you can create index on a single column, but if that column contains only unique values, then only you can create the unique index. Okay. We can create the unique index if the column contains unique values only. What is the syntax for this? Is create, use the keyword unique index